Welcome back to Spy Garage. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Super Snake is a powerful combination of unadulterated power, streamlined handling, and iconic styling that epitomizes American muscle car engineering. This car, which is the result of Ford and Shelby American's partnership, takes the already powerful GT500 to a whole new level of performance. Performance and powertrain. A supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, painstakingly tuned to produce an incredible output, powers the 2025 Super Snake. Expectations center on a considerable boost in horsepower and torque over the normal GT500, though exact numbers may differ. Upgraded superchargers, better cooling systems, and engine tune are all used to achieve this augmentation. The Super Snake is propelled to incredible speeds with unmatched ferocity by the resulting explosive power surge. The transmission, which is probably an improved dual-clutch automatic from the GT500, guarantees blazingly quick shifts, optimizing acceleration and responsiveness. Handling and chassis. The Super Snake's chassis and handling qualities receive a lot of attention in order to maximize its enormous power. Superior control and stability are offered by upgraded suspension parts, such as firmer springs and adjustable dampers. With its powerful stopping power and big Brembo rotors and multi-piston calipers, the braking system gives confidence in even the most taxing driving situations. Increased downforce produced by the Super Snake's aerodynamic improvements such as its front splitter, rear spoiler, and side skirts improve stability and grip at high speeds. External design. The 2025 Super Snake's performance-focused external design is evidence of this. Aggressive stylistic features, including as a reworked front fascia, a vented hood, and broader fenders, highlight the legendary Mustang silhouette. This outstanding car is further distinguished by its distinctive Shelby stripes, which are a characteristic of the Super Snake bloodline. Utilizing lightweight materials, like carbon fiber, helps reduce weight and improve performance. The vehicle's rarity is further emphasized by distinctive wheel designs and exclusive Super Snake badging. Technology and the interior. The Super Snake's cabin skillfully combines luxury and performance. Sport seats offer outstanding comfort and support since they are upholstered in high-quality materials. An Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel with a performance focus provides a tangible link to the road. Access to a multitude of entertainment and vehicle information is made possible at the infotainment system and digital instrument cluster. Lane keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control are two examples of advanced driver assistance technologies that improve convenience and safety. Legacy and exclusivity. Due to its limited manufacturing, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Super Snake is guaranteed to be unique and collectible. It embodies the essence of high-performance American muscle vehicles and is the result of decades of cooperation between Ford and Shelby American. This car is an experience and a physical link to the heritage of automotive greatness. It is more than just a means of mobility. Important features anticipated. Improved 5.2L V8 supercharged engine. Improved braking and suspension systems. Aerodynamic improvements, unique Super Snake design. High-end interior furnishings, restricted output. It is crucial to keep in mind that some of these details are based on well-informed speculation until Ford and Shelby American provide official information.